Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Roku TV with black screen. Let's go. Press the home button 5 times. 1 time the up button. Rewind 2 times. Fast forward 2 times. If you are using a Roku device, then press the reset button, or use the reset button on the TV. If it did not help, then the matrix or the backlight of the TV is faulty. That's it. Now you know how to reset Roku TV with black screen. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.